Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the common but sometimes complex problem of Git. Well, in this problem, we are going to make an old commit as latest commit. Suppose you are working in a master branch and master is ahead of 4-5 commits and there is another branch that is 4-5 commits behind the master. Now you want that branch now should be the master because these 4-5 commits are not stable anymore, but somehow they have been pushed on master. So it is better if master will be 4 to 5 commits behind the current commit. At least that version will be stable. So how can you make this old branch same as master? Well, we are going to look into this problem and we are going to remove all the 4-5 commits which committed after this branch was created. So all these 4-5 commits of the master will be removed and the master will be same as the other branch. So suppose you have a branch which may be ahead of master. It can be behind the master or it can be totally different from master. Now you want master should be same as this branch. So in our example, this branch is behind the master and now we want master should be same as this other branch. So this is my project and if you will see, there are 3 branches, first, master and second. Now in the master, if I check the log, you can see there are certain commits. There are 4 commits are here, and if I shift into the other branch, that is first branch, and if I check the log, there is only 1 commit. So somehow you want this branch should be the master because these 3 commits are not stable anymore and you want to remove them completely. You want to be shift on this branch. So how will you do this? Well, to perform this operation, these are certain steps. First, we are going to check out the other branch. So we have already done this. We have checked out this branch, that is first. Now we need to use merge -s. -s is the strategy. So it says strategy hours. So we are going to merge this branch into master. Now I am going to check out master again. So you can see my branch is master now. And then I am going to merge this other branch into master. So my other branch name is first. Now if I check the log, it says merge branch master into first. So all these changes have been removed and my branch is same as this other branch which has only 1 commit, that is first commit. So I'm going to push these changes into master. And now my branch is same as this branch. Now you may have some questions that how can you believe this the branch same as master? Then you need to check the files and all your changes which have been done in these files that have been removed. So I'm going to give you another example. Now suppose my branch is master and I'm going to push some changes into it. So this is my index file and I'm going to, if you remember this properly, I'm adding this comment line here. Now I'm going to add this file, commit this file, and push this file. Now again I want my branch should be same as this branch. So the change I have just made, which should be removed. I'm going to shift on the other branch, that is first. Then I'm going to merge strategy hours. Then I'm going to shift back into the master. So first I need to merge, and you can see only this file it is appeared here because I made the change in this file only. So there was only difference in this file. Now I'm going to push the changes again. And I'm going to show you that file, that is index. And here at starting, here below this line I have made one comment line, and that have been removed. You can see the file has been cleaned again. That change has been removed. So this is one method where you can make your master branch same as other branch. This procedure will replace master with other branch. Now suppose 8 or 10 commits back there is one commit in the master, and you find it was the most stable commit, and a branch should have been created from this commit, but the branch was not created. Then what will you do? Now I'm going to give you example again. I need to add those 4-5 changes in the master branch again. So this is another branch which I'm going to show you, that is second, and here are those all the changes which we have just removed from master. So I'm going to merge master with this branch, and these all changes will be merged into the master. So first I'm going to use strategy hours. Then git checkout master, git merge second, and git push origin master. Now I'm on master branch. I have all the changes which are in the branch second. So if you see git log, suppose a branch should be created from here, but it was not. So what will you do? First I'm going to create a branch from here. So git checkout -b branch name, that is third. I'm going to use this commit number. Okay, so new branch has been created. Now I'm going to shift back into the master. And now reset hard. Now I need to check the master again. You can see top change is master 1. This is our top change now. Now I'm going to push So all the changes which have been committed after this commit have been removed, and this is our top commit now. So using this method, you can create your master branch same as any other branch. I hope it will help you. Thank you for watching.